The introduction of ICT has changed the way of teaching from blackboard and chalk to computers and digital projectors. Information and communication technologies help educators to teach their students more efficiently. Their workloads also have reduced considerably in order to use such technologies in schools and universities. Educators have to be well trained and possess sufficient expertise in ICT-aided teaching. Governments are providing training classes for educators to make them efficient for ICT-aided classroom. ICT makes the whole learning process in a collaborative and self-paced way. ICT-aided teaching and learning helps students become independent learners and thereby improving the whole standard of education. Information and communication technologies are generally accepted as a modern instrumental tools that enable the educators to modify the teaching methods they use in order to increase the students' interest. The extended use of ICT drove the society into a new knowledge bed from where information plays an important role for the universities and students' satisfaction. Hoffman 2001 suggested that successful implementation of ICT need to address 5 interlocking frameworks for change: technical as administrative support and also sustainability and transferability. The different kinds of ICT implemented at teaching and learning such as tele and video conferencing and e-learning tools. These products can be used in education for different purposes. Some of them help students with their learning by improving and communication between them and instructors. ICT's importance also extends to student learning procedure. It facilitates students to develop higher order thinking skills by providing cognitive scaffolding for students as they make sense of the information gathered. Students in the current century look their answers online instead of asking educators. That makes the student to be independent, think constructively, and research their own. The ICT skill help them secure a job in the current era. Information and communication technology enhance overall quality of students, and that gives a better tomorrow for the world. The term information and communication technology refers to forms of technologies that use to create, store, share, or transmit and exchange information. This broad definition of ICT includes such technologies as radio, television, video, DVD, telephone, satellite system, information and communication technologies. ICTs have been touted as potentially powerful enabling tools for educational change and reform. The effective integration of ICTs into the educational system is a complex, multi-phase process. Effectiveness, cost, quality, equity, and sustainability are 4 broad intertwined issues which must be addressed when considering the overall impact of the use of ICTs in education. ICT can provide diverse options for taking in and processing information, making sense of ideas, and expressing learning. Over 87% of students learn best through visual and tactile modalities, and ICT can help these students experience just information instead of just reading and hearing it. Mobile devices can also offer programs apps that provide extra support to students with special needs, with features such as simplified screens and instructions, consistent placement of menus and control features, graphics combined with text, audio feedback, ability appropriate and unambiguous feedback, and easy error correction.